from Zhejiang SS Zipper Company Limited. I'm very glad to come to attend the Bangladesh exhibition. Actually, it's maybe 8 or 9 times I come here for exhibition. Our company have very good market in Bangladesh. More than 10 years. We have many customers in Bangladesh. Most of the top jacket factory, we are doing business with them. And our main product is zipper. We are zipper manufacturer. All kinds of zipper, like nylon zipper, resin zipper, metal zipper, waterproof zipper, any kind of zippers we can do. And we also provide one-stop accessories service for our customers. We made many customers have very good relationship with them because our very good quality, very good service, and a very competitive price. So they like them, like us, and we also like them. I like Bangladesh. I also hope in this market we can have more customers, more market here. Thank you so much.